Hello everyone. Today we'd like to talk about the spondyloarthropathies. Look, spondyloarthropathies comprise a group of related inflammatory musculoskeletal diseases that show overlap in their clinical features and have a shared immunogenetic association with HLA-B27. Look, whenever we will talk about the spondyloarthropathies and the conditions that are included in this umbrella term, we will need to focus from a genetic basis on HLA-B27, right? Now, let's talk some basics about HLA-B27. The name itself implies that it's a type of HLA-B or human leukocyte antigen B, and the specific type is HLA-B27, right? So, we all know that HLA is related to MHC, okay, major histocompatibility complex. So there are mainly three types of major histocompatibility complexes: type 1, type 2, and type 3. And the type 1 MHC is determined by the presence of HLA-A, HLA-B, and HLA-C mainly. So whenever there is any variation in the alleles or in the genes related to HLA-A, HLA-B, or HLA-C, we will know that there is a change in MHC1. And in this case, the specific type is HLA-B involving the HLA-B27. So, from this perspective, we will be able to think about how HLA can affect the expression of MHC. And for MHC type 2, we will know that there are three types of HLA representing the MHC type 2: HLA-DP, HLA-DQ, HLA-DR. For example, in rheumatoid arthritis, we have seen the specific type of HLA is HLA-DR4. So, indeed, there is a common specific feature for all the conditions involved in spondyloarthropathies, that they share an immunogenetic association which is characterized by HLA-B27. So, what's the change that they create involving the MHC type 1? Well, the first thing is they predispose the normal tissues to be attacked by the immunocells, and they themselves can cause inflammation. For example, after some lines, we will see that HLA-B27 will form a homodimer at the surface of the cells. I mean, MHC type 1 will deform the homodimer because HLA-B27 is responsible for formation of the specific type of MHC type 1, and that will predispose to excessive recognition by the immunocells. And also the cells which contain MHC type 1 specific to HLA-B27, they have a tendency to undergo autophagy. So I think that clears the concept of HLA-B27 correlating with the specific underlying pathogenesis responsible for the formation of spondyloarthropathies. Some other features that we will also need to know, that with HLA-B27 association, you will also find some other common features, like here, enthesitis. Okay, what is enthesitis? Enthesitis means inflammation at the site of insertion of the tendons and ligaments. Okay, another one is psoriasis. uveitis, inflammation of the uveal tract in the eye, sterile urethritis. So if you do a routine urine microscopy examination, you might not find any pus cells in there or any presence of inflammatory infectious pathogens. And cardiovascular involvement is very much important to remember. Look, aortic root lesions, which is characterized by aortic incompetence, okay, aortic incompetence and conduction defects. Thank you.